Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to take a screenshot without buttons. So simply go to the quick panel. This is the quick settings. If you swipe down here, you can see the option to take the screenshot. You can see take screenshot. Tap on this one. The screenshot is captured. If you are not able to find this option here on your quick settings, just edit your quick settings. For this, go to the quick settings. Now tap on the option, the pen icon. Now tap on edit, and you will get that screenshot icon here and drag from here to there. After this one, tap on done. Okay. So without the button, simply go to the quick panel and tap on the option take a screenshot. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. Okay. So this way we can take the screenshot without buttons on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.